Eid marks the end of the fasting period of the month-long Ramzan and is venerated by the people of the Islamic faith all across the world. Ramzan is a month in which Muslims observe fast from dawn to dusk in the entire month and do charity, zakat. Eid is celebrated with happiness and love amongst family and friends. It is a festival of togetherness, love and joy. People give gifts to each other, wear new clothes and have a feast. The date of Eid differs from one country to the other as it depends on the sighting of the moon. The moon is first observed in Saudi Arabia and then the rest of the world. For the second time in a row, the celebrations will be different because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Let's find out how the members of the Muslim community in Shillong feel about this.
I am feeling very remorse and unhappy that we are not able to celebrate Eid al-Fitr due to the advisory issued by the Deputy Commissioner restricting congregational prayers at the Masjid. The Limekra Mosque and Idgah Committee did not make any preparation in view of the advisory made by the government.
Offering the prayer in a Idgah is a great wishes for us, but keeping the view of the current situations, and as you know that last year it was a muted festival prayer due to this pandemic. This year also we are doing the muted prayer at home without disturbing this pandemic.
मतलब कि as per the situation कुछ खास तो नहीं लग रहा है, but हाँ we have to manage accordingly to the situation. तो मनाएंगे घर पे फैमिली के साथ और सबसे यही कहेंगे कि घर पे रहिए, सेफ रहिए, ईद भी मनाइए, फैमिली के साथ मनाइए. ये नहीं कि हाँ बट फेस्टिवल तो है. It's been like last year also we could not celebrate and this year also we could not celebrate properly, but we have to deal with it and we have to compromise and we have to think about like everything, situation and everything.
So tomorrow is Eid and the preparations at home are not like every year. It's very different, very new to us. Even though we had all gone through all of it in 2020, but then this time India is facing a very difficult time and people are dying. So it doesn't make sense for us to celebrate Eid in a very extravagant way.
नहीं मनाएंगे, क्या मनाएंगे? सब बंद है तो कैसे मनाएंगे? दौरी दुकान सब बंद है, बच्चा लोग परेशान है, मनाने कहाँ सकेंगे?
ऐसा टाइम भी ठीक ही है, खुलने पहला बार तो खुलने भी खुला भी नहीं था, और ये पाली तो खुला भी अच्छा है.
I feel very unpleasant that for the consecutively second year Eid Namaz is not being performed at the Masjid. But nevertheless, the lockdown, the restraint is essential to stop the spread of COVID-19 virus.
हाँ घर एक्चुअली ये तो होता ही है कि फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स के साथ ही मनाएं, बट अब जान है तो जहान है, जान रहेगी तो बस अगला साल फिर मनाएंगे खुशियों के साथ, सबके साथ अच्छे से. वैसे जब खुद ही जान नहीं रहेगी तो फिर किसके साथ मनाएंगे. तो बेटर है कि अभी प्रिवेंशन लें, घर पे रहें और सबके साथ मनाएं, घर पे मनाएं.
So I request that this time, at least before the Eid, though the cases is rising every day, so being a person, a responsible citizen of India or Meghalaya, it's our duty to save ourselves from this corona.
I know it's Eid, it's time for celebration, joy, happiness. Eid is all about togetherness, unity. So let us come together and try to eradicate COVID-19 by following the COVID protocols and not meeting people and only going out to buy essential things and sanitize ourselves, take care of ourselves, which is how we can do this and celebrate Eid in a better way next year.
The essence and the spirit of Eid al-Fitr will bring joy, happiness to the people of Meghalaya and also strength to fight the COVID-19 disease. And lastly, I wish heartiest Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
ईद मुबारक।
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 ईद मुबारक।